welcome back to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how to turn off My AI on Snapchat. To do that, open the Snapchat application first and then get logged into the account. Once you are logged into the account, you need to tap on the message icon beside it. Tap on the message icon, tap that. Here you will be directed to your message section of your Snapchat, and there's on the top you will find the My AI. This is a new feature that Snapchat has recently launched where you can connect with this AI. AI will respond to your message like a friend. Now what you need to do is tap and hold this My AI chat section, and here you need to go to chat setting. Tap that. Now here on this page, what you can do is you can turn off the message notification so that you don't get a notification whenever that AI sends you a message. So those are some options you have, but beyond that you can also just not talk to that AI option. As long as you don't interact with it, it should not interact back with you. I'm gonna turn this off, so I will no longer be receiving any kind of notification from here. The Snapchat is making it compulsory to have this My AI chats on very top over all the other conversation with your friend. Unfortunately, it's at the very top of this point. It's brand new to this Snapchat, so they want everyone to be able to see it and interact with it. You cannot currently turn off, but they might add the feature where you can hide My AI or turn it off or disable it in coming time period. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.